Before I became a real estate investor, I coached at a junior college. I graduated about a year and a half ago from college, and I got my degree in religious studies, and I had no idea what I was going to do with that. So I've always been entrepreneurial minded, so I knew I was going to start a business, and I was going to become a stockbroker. And then I heard Donald Trump speak, and I decided real estate was the way to go. So I started an asset recovery business for overbid proceeds from tax sales and foreclosure auctions because I didn't have any money to get into real estate. So it was a way to get started with little risk. And then about a month into that, I came across New Wealth Advisors. Before I came to New Wealth Advisors, I didn't really know what I was getting into. I showed up one night and there were a ton of people here for a meeting. I thought it was going to be more like an MLM kind of setup. So I didn't know what to expect, but I really liked the presentation. Dave and Malia seemed like great people, trustworthy, so I decided to take a risk and go for it. And I mean, it's been absolutely amazing. This was the perfect way to learn real estate, especially for someone who doesn't have money and needs a mentor. That was the big thing that I needed, was a mentor, and coming here, I got tons of them. I've learned that it is possible to do the deals without money, and it's really cool seeing people do it. Just earlier I heard someone tell a story about a property they picked up for $2,000 and it's cash flowing. It's really cool to actually be in a community where people are doing it and can help walk you through it. So, my goal is to own apartments. When I saw Eric Stevens' name up there and all the apartments he owns, I was like, that's what I want to do. When I first decided to get real estate, that was the route I wanted to go. So now my goal at this point is just one at a time, but eventually I want multiple apartment complexes, and that's where I see myself going. Dave and Melina are absolutely amazing. Melina walks in a room and she just radiates beauty. She's just unbelievable. Both of them, you can just tell they're full of integrity and trustworthy, and that's what got me here, was them too. I knew I could trust them. It was just something in me that I knew. And what they're doing here, the time they spend helping people, giving of themselves, it's unbelievable, truly. So, to anyone that's on the fence about joining, I would say absolutely go for it. Just the tax and legal, the education afterwards, it's unbelievable. If you never close a real estate deal, the stuff you'll learn to save on your taxes, it's priceless. It will pay for itself a million times over. So absolutely go for it. You have all the answers here. You have the mentors, you have the money. It's just now about you, and you have to take action.